It's gonna be Revelation 3 and 10, so here because like our patience, I will get the honest and to teachable. Everyone can feel it must be they who bring the one doctrine. Show unto us look at show there. So here verse 13 10, so words from God speaking, so because given our patience. Let's give meditation. It's probably going to try the earth. It's going to the energy system. I try to come out of pocket because you know for time. It said, behold, I come quickly, which it has. And it's that crown. The crown being what those on scriptures. He come with on the pillar, temple hell. Which may shine. He come right out. By my name, my power, which is getting hell my shine. And the city, my power, which is getting hell my shine. It's going to heaven. It's on heaven. Be renewed, be transformed. But shy, we'll get that anger from shy. Of his judgment. If you're a he of heaven, and for my name, that you hear some churches. Let's go into once again, Ephesians 12 and 12. Right here, therefore, just heavens and on the earth. Woman destruction to happens into the earth and the seas to move people. For those come down, great that comes for a short time. Going to that checking laws and trying to bring forth. Because he knows for short time. There's some scalations. 13, 10. Right here, heal captivity, captivity. Kill the sword, kill the sword. Here, peace for the saints. Once the faith that we have in the shy, coming through and redeeming us. We just like him, having that one mindset of destruction, possible to act like work them and great, careful judgment. Psalms 144, verse 1. Right here, blessed be my strength, which my hands to war. For the fight is going to the uploading of his anger upon our hearts by mind. My good, my fortune, my high tower, my deliverer, my shield, my buckler, and whom I trust. Who's the people under me? Young Shai was my technology of him, some man account of him. My vanities, they shall pass away, my human minute gone next. Because we, as freeborn, rise up to Young Shai's arms. For salvation, for like Israel, bring to a trust Israel, there once again. Revelation 4 and 7, 7 and 4. So bow down heavens, O Young Shai, cast down the mountains, and they shall smoke. Cast lightning and scatter them, and shoot the earth from above, destroy them. So that send that heaven above, read me, deliver me, as great waters from the hands of strange children, whose mouth vanity, false lies, and right hands are falsehood. I sing to Messiah a new song, song scriptures, this is the sound praise unto Messiah. So I sing to Messiah a new song, O Messiah, upon instrument strings, sung to thee. It says it is he who gives sufficient kings, and they're different for the sword, being what their particular laws is going to pass. So as we're giving the warning, read me, through me, have the strange children, because of my vanity, as her right falsehood. Because let's look at the full portion of our lives. It says that our sons may go forth, that our sons must be plans to grow up in youth and strength, that our garments may be full, that our daughters may be full, that our daughters may be cornerstones, polished, and palace. Come back in that race to my word, it says this again. Proverbs 22:6, children which go as young, may go even apart from it. So that our garments be full of fight, of war, a measure of store, that our sheep may bring forth 1,000, 10,000 in the streets. The young planet and that the oxen be strong with labor. That's been breaking in and going out. That's been putting in our streets. Have that people. That's such a case. You have people whose helmet shine. It's Ecclesiastes 12 and 1. I bring that remembrance back to that conscience back to the elect of Israel. So remember Malachi's youth, while he's coming out, no shall night, splashing them, our sounds the moon are darkened, our clouds with the rain, tramp the rain, let's go back to that one. I'm going to get shy, no things we do. It's gonna profit for seven, trusting each other hurts, we mind, and as soon as I'm standing. All else acknowledging the path, but I don't know anything meaningful. Right here, verse 13, verse 13. Let's young crystal matter, fear him, keep his command for physical duty of man. To his abilities. It says in Judges 5:11, their different urges, bitch on watches, which their history is asking me shy. For sure firm should bring with judgment. It's either there be evil. King how should the judge? And it's gonna judge everything, everyone. That's Matthews 10:34. They come to speak to anyone to bring judgments. That's a wicked land. And it's going to be for righteousness. 10:34. Right here, think once we can read. With her speaking, right here, think not to speak by sword, bring death, destruction, and disease against the land. For a man, for instance, the father and daughter against your mother, as much as your mother-in-law, and as for the household. Right here, verse 37, he left by mother, and he take on the cross out to he finds to lose it, he lose life message, find it. Let's talk about what's F for the Sims going to Matthews 24:37. Right here, this word was going to whisper and rest when I speaking. But it's an old war, so which comes man be. For a flood, there eats of drinking, that flood back by the water, for more fire. And the drinking may get the mercy that was the day of the ark. And this flood came to go away, which comes man be. So that's what's back then, so we see today. It's going to build a Tower of Babel into a place where is ship wickedness. Matthews 6:24. Makes man for hate one with the other. And near to flood, that flood by with about water. And I was preaching for what 120 plus. And to a flood took them away. So all she could not be. So it's back then to where it's today. Ecclesiastes, once again, 1:9. Here, I think that which has been, it shall be, which is done, shall be done. Anything is son. So I can't focus on effort, so once again, definitely. So it was just a close butcher rant that I was going through. Yummy stress. Name.